Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, remove the 2 screws securing the system's side cover to lift the cover off the system. Identify the memory module and unlatch it. Grasp the module by the edges to remove it from the system. To reinstall the memory module, relatch it to the system. Secure the system's side cover with the 2 screws. For more information about your DELL system, visit dell.com/support.